Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2014 Ram 5500 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive, 6.7 Cummins diesel. It's got 259,000 miles on it. It's got around 9,400 total engine hours. Got a few miles on this truck, but it's a really nice truck. Runs out and drives good. Everything works on it. We get a lot of these trucks in, and some of them you can tell the driver just took better care of the other than some other drivers do, and this is one of the cases where this was just a nice truck when it come into us, especially to have the mileage on it. It's a rust-free truck. It has an 11-foot Knapheide service body with a 3,200-pound IMT hydraulic crane. It's got a little hydraulic outrigger on the back. It has a Miller air pack on it, which is a Welder and air compressor built into one. Several sets of drawers. Let's walk around and take a quick look at it. No blow-by on this truck. AC is blowing cold. Little aftermarket screen in it. Manual windows, manual mirrors and all on this truck. No power options. Set of American Eagle drawers here. Box here. Got some water in it. Got a water tank up top there. Feeds into this hose here. Motor ports there. Vise on the back. Enclosed cover, air hose. Come back around here, work the crane in a minute. Empty buckets there. Shells. Unit, 302 air packet slides out. Come back to that in a minute. Extension out, extension in. Now set it back down. show you another thing that shows when a truck's been taken care of, and I've been around enough of them, had enough of them to know when they got all the original books in them. It's got all the books for the bed, crane, original window sticker, everything's in it. You don't see that much, and usually when you do see it, it's in a nice truck. All right, so if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Excuse me, let me say that again, 256-310-6852. You can call or text me on that line. If you are looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship this truck straight to you. You're going to be looking around $1.50 to $1.75 a mile to have this truck shipped. If you decide to go that route and ship, just know that we are a dispatcher. So what that means is we post it on our board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California or New York. Wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Sometimes we'll get them picked up immediately. Just depends on where you're at, the weather. Lots of different things factor into shipping. So just know I can't tell you an exact second. Someone's going to pull up here in an exact second. They're going to pull up in your driveway. You know, I can't look into the future. I wish I could. But to say all that, to say this, normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. That's our average. So if you're one of the guys, you got to know that. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're obviously welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to sell you the truck. It has to be a certified bank check or wire transfer, or we can't do business. We can't take a regular check on your name or your business name. It has to be certified bank check, cashier's check. So I guess that's it. If you are interested, like I said, give me a call, 256-310-6852, call or text. Again, this is a 14 Ram 5500 two-wheel drive truck, 6'7" Cummins, 11-foot nap-hide bed, 3,200 pound IMT crane, little hydraulic outrigger on the back, Miller air pack. Really nice truck, one owner. Don't know anything it needs, so give me a call. Thanks for watching.